Welcome to my Kinetic by Windstream Communications Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. If you're considering Kinetic for your internet needs, check the links in the description for detailed plan and pricing information. In this video, I'll cover its key features, target audience, and performance to help you decide if it's the right provider for you. Kinetic by Windstream is a high-speed internet provider offering both fiber optic and DSL services, catering to urban, suburban, and rural areas. Their fiber plans deliver speeds of up to 2 gigabit per second, ideal for heavy internet users, gamers, and families with multiple devices. DSL options, while slower, are a reliable alternative for areas where fiber isn't yet available. One standout feature is their no data cap policy on most plans, meaning you can stream, game, and browse without worrying about overage fees. Installation is straightforward, with self-installation kits for those who prefer a DIY approach or professional technicians for more complex setups. Kinetic also offers a 24/7 customer support team, ensuring that any connectivity issues are resolved promptly. For added convenience, they provide a mobile app to manage your account, monitor usage, and troubleshoot basic problems. One of Kinetic's strengths is its smart home capabilities. They offer advanced Wi-Fi routers with whole home coverage and features like parental controls and device prioritization, making it easy to customize your internet experience. This is particularly beneficial for larger homes or households with children. For businesses, Kinetic provides tailored solutions, including dedicated internet, VoIP services, and cloud-based applications. These services are designed to ensure seamless operations for small to medium-sized businesses, with strong uptime and reliable speeds. Pricing is competitive, with promotional rates for new customers and bundle options that include TV and phone services. However, it's important to check the availability of plans in your area, as speeds and pricing can vary depending on the infrastructure. Overall, Kinetic by Windstream is a solid choice for individuals, families, and businesses looking for fast, reliable internet with flexible options. Whether you need cutting-edge fiber or dependable DSL, their offerings cater to a wide range of needs. For more details, check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.